Good afternoon. My name's Dave from Naperville, Illinois, and I would just like to thank Mark and Smart Build for the excellent job that they did for us. They replaced our roof, gutters, downspouts, siding, and they just did an excellent job. They exceeded our expectations in a fantastic way, and what else could you ask for? They were also very economical in the cost of the work, because I checked with other contractors too. And they just did a great job, and we really appreciate the work that they did for us.